Changing the battery in a smoke detector is easy, and in this video I'll show you step by step how to do it. When you hear a beeping sound, it usually means the battery is low. For this detector, it has to be detached first. To unmount it, just turn it clockwise slightly. Then squeeze the sides of the wire connector and pull it straight out. Now that I have it down, I can flip open the cover. Here, pull the tab to pop the battery out. And take note of the diagram inside for polarity. When installing the new battery, notice this tab. It needs to be flipped inside or else you won't be able to close the cover. And make sure that you install this with a ribbon underneath the battery. Now just match up the pins of the wire connector and snap it in. Then twist the detector back in place. You'll know it's secure when this opening is visible. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.